Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming prerequisites: the Android SDK, platform tools, and at least one system image. Once done, open Android Studio and go straight to Tools, then AVD Manager. You should export or note any custom AVD settings now so you can restore them if needed. Make sure the project config won't auto-launch a different emulator. Now choose the AVD you want to change, or click Create Virtual Device to begin making a new target device. You'll select a hardware profile that matches your test needs. You can pick a phone, tablet, or create a custom device if you need unusual specs. Next, choose the system image. Pay attention to ABI and API level and whether Play Store support is required. Then dive into advanced settings. Set RAM, VM heap, internal storage, camera mapping, and screen orientation. Make sure to match the emulator CPU/ABI to your app's native libraries to avoid runtime issues later. Once you apply and save your AVD changes, perform a cold boot or wipe user data to ensure a clean start, then launch the emulator and verify the device boots. Make this AVD the active run target in run/debug configurations, then deploy your app and watch Logcat for errors. If something goes wrong, check virtualization support. Enable Intel HAXM or ensure Hyper-V settings are correct, toggle GPU emulation, and review emulator logs. Addressing those usually resolves common launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.